baby.
I never knew when today could be wrong.
Think about that night that I came home. You had the light shining in your eye. In the living room, your bags and clothes were everywhere. You said, let's skip town, take me anywhere. Our daily lives are boring. Let's you and me ghost and turn off our phones. I'm headed up to the cold, I want the sun. Let's head out to the coast.
I never knew when today could be wrong until I found you. And to the store I never knew when the night could be sweet until you swept me up from my feet down.
Okay. A few moments later.
Oh no! Oh my god! Hey! Yeah!
Say what?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Oh my god! Frag out! Aha! Ha! Oh my god!
Come with me, and I'll show you what the world can be. All my heart is waiting to be free, and I'll never let nobody else know what's deep inside. In the air, there's an answer, and it's ringing clear, and there's room for someone else to share. I've got everything to show you and nothing left to hide. Fly away, yeah, the world is so small as we look down.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey!
It's a beautiful day, and I'm feeling happy and feeling fine. It's a beautiful day, don't waste this sunshine, it'll be alright. It's a beautiful day, and I'm feeling happy and feeling fine. It's a beautiful day, don't waste this sunshine, it'll be alright. The sun is out. If I had 1,000 1,000 tongues. I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song.
Oh, wow!
Happy birthday!